Greetings Earthlings and welcome back. My name is Casey if you are new here, and today I'm going to be testing out the new Milk Makeup Flex Foundation. They sent over 4 shades. Shades Shell, Vanilla, and Light Beige Buff. And the claims are it's buildable, medium coverage, natural finish foundation, covers, calms, and flexes without creasing or caking. It's silicone free and retails for $36. And I actually got this in PR I don't know, earlier this year. I forgot when this came out, but when it came out they sent it and I started using it, and I actually repurchased one on my own because I love it so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. And this is actually a hemp derived cannabis seed extract, and it's just so hydrating. I love how it like plumps my skin, and my foundation just always looks so much better when I use this. So and I already did my brows, so I'm gonna be very careful when I go up here and kind of go around them. I love the packaging and it smells so good. It kind of smells like skincare. It has this like citrus-like scent. It smells really good. It says that this foundation is formulated with marshmallow root extract to flex seamlessly with your face, blue lotus to moisturize, and chamomile to help calm the skin. I'm gonna try out the shade Vanilla. I'm gonna put that on my neck. It seems pretty pink. I am a very pink person, so I'll just use my finger. Yeah, I think Vanilla is the one. Okay, my hands are really clammy and sticky. I'm gonna go wash them and then we will continue. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my forehead. I'm just gonna do mark there. I'm gonna use my finger to do my forehead. I watched Plump Berry's video and she said that she liked using her finger with this product, so I'm gonna do that on my forehead. So it blended out really nice. I do want a little bit more coverage, but I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer in the shade, what shade is this? Oh my gosh, it doesn't say. Cream. My Lancome foundation and corrector brush to blend that out. I've never tried the concealer either, so this is going to be first impressions. Forehead is looking good. Now the claims for the concealer, it says it's a medium coverage, covers, calms, and flexes without creasing or caking. The concealer is $28. Also, the Hydro Grip Primer retails for $30. So I'm really impressed with the way my forehead looks. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. When I do my brows before my foundation or concealer, I like to kind of break it up and do like my forehead and then do the rest of my face. So I'm gonna go in with this here on my cheeks, down my nose. It glides on the face really nice. It's very hydrating. I'm going to use the Lancome Foundation Corrector Brush to blend this in. Ooh. So I really like this brush with this foundation. Next time I'll use a beauty blender and we'll see how that works. Oh my gosh, I have these little hairs everywhere. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm so pale. I do want to see what this does if I try to build it, so I'm going to go in with just a little bit more. It did an amazing job at covering everything. My skin looks very like flawless but natural. I'm so picky with the way foundations lay on top of my skin. Now that I'm in my 30s, I'm just extremely picky when it comes to my foundation, and this looks so beautiful. So I'm just gonna go a little bit here on my cheeks. I mean, I honestly don't need any more. I just want to see if it's buildable. I love how hydrating this is. It feels so good on the skin. I am really impressed so far. And it doesn't make my pores look huge. If anything, it kind of like made them vanish. It sits really, really beautifully on the skin, so yay! I was going to go in with the concealer because I really wanted to like try it out today and give you guys my thoughts, but I kind of don't feel right going in with more product because my skin is pretty like flawless, you know? So I think I'm going to actually set this and move on. I really, really like it. It blended out really nice, gave me the coverage I was looking for. And as far as the foundation, my skin feels very hydrated and moisturized right now, and I really, really like that. I've been using matte foundations for a while now, and this is totally different than what I'm used to, but I really like it. Again, my skin feels like plump and just looks and feels like it's very healthy, and my skin actually is giving me so much trouble right now. I'm really excited to see how it wears throughout the day. I'm gonna do a little check-in at the end of the day and let you guys know. Me and hubby will probably have date night tonight. It's 12:41 right now, and I'm hoping that I don't have to like get ready again. I'm hoping that my makeup will last into the nighttime, so we'll see how that goes, and I will let you guys know. I'm gonna go ahead and set this and do my base, and I'll come back and let you guys know my thoughts. To set this, I'm going to use my NYX No Filter Finishing Powder. And I always set my neck first just so I don't like do my face and then forget it. Ooh, this powder looks really nice over this. You know, sometimes when you go in with your powder and, you know, you're trying a new combo and the powder doesn't work with the foundation and then it just messes everything up. I hate when that happens. This powder is so beautiful. I don't think I've ever used this powder though and had like anything bad happen. This is one of my go-to powders. It reminds me of the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, which is one of my favorites. Okay, I've never used a foundation like this. It's so... can't really compare it to anything. I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Cupcake. I'm just going to put this underneath my eye area. I'm going to take this into these little like lines right here. What are those called? I forgot. My oil always sets in these lines right here, so I want to like prevent that as much as I can. I'm also going to press this powder up into like the center of my forehead because I get really oily there too. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow, and then I will come back and finish my base. I'm so excited to bring some color back into my face. The bronze. Alright, next I'm going to contour. I'm going to take Benefit Hoola and my MAC 109 brush. I like to contour the tip of my chin because I feel like my chin is kind of long. And this just gives like the illusion of a cuter, shorter chin. Next, I'm going to take the ColourPop F11 brush. I'm going to pick up some of that Hoola, and I'm going to contour my nose a bit. Blush, I'm going to use the Becca Tiger Lily Luminous Blush. I've been wanting to use this blush. I've never used it before. Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I never thought I would wear orange blush. But this is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm also going to take this to my nose. And then I'm going to apply my highlight. I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Flex highlighter in Lit. This is such a beautiful highlighter. I'm going to use my B Bella NG323 brush. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. I'm gonna cry. Oh my goodness. You guys, I can't get over this highlight. This is so freaking beautiful. Bobo, do you see this? My dog is shook. You guys. You need this highlighter. It comes in other shades. I haven't tried the other shades. I've only tried this one and I'm just like in awe. It is so beautiful. I'm also going to take some of my finger and I'm going to tap it onto my nose. First impression of the foundation, I think it's so beautiful, and like I said, I'm really excited to see how it wears throughout the day, because that's what really matters. It doesn't matter if it looks good right when you apply it. If it doesn't last and look good as you wear it throughout the day, then so I will check in with you guys in a little bit and let you guys know. Also stay tuned for this eyeshadow tutorial. I will be posting that in a few days, so make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you have that notification bell turned on so you are notified when I do upload new content. So I've had this foundation on for about 7 hours now, and I am really impressed. I live in Arizona. It is summer here. I think it was like 100 and something outside. I ran errands. Definitely an active day for me, and it still looks so good. This is one of those foundations, and I love when this happens, is as you wear it, it looks better and better and better. And this could potentially be a new go-to because I'm just so impressed. I love how my skin looks right now. It looks so good. I have, you know, some dry patches, and then I have some oily areas. My skin is just kind of all over the place. So I do think that this foundation would be good for oily skin types, dry, again, combination. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just hit me up in the comments, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.